Step into the Dodge 2019 Journey. Say, this may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are monotone paint application, touring suspension, billet clear coat, black top package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss black rear fascia applique black headlamp bezels gloss black grille gloss black exterior mirrors, engine, 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD. Quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has